I am Zenobia Lawrence Hikes, Vice President for Student Affairs. On April 16, 2007, the peace that comes with learning was shattered on our campus, and the academy forever changed. As a result of the horrific tragedy that day, our hearts have been crushed, our spirits shaken, and our minds and bodies left weary. Yet, in the midst of our insurmountable grief, we have been embraced by our colleagues in the Virginia Tech community and by friends old and new, our brothers and sisters from around the world. In the process, the Virginia Tech family has become not only closer, but it has also become larger. Today, we join together as a community to honor, commemorate, and pay tribute to the talented minds of those innocent individuals who were taken from us far too soon. As we move forward, their spirits will always be with us, permeating our commitment to education. It is our sincere hope that in the years ahead, all who walk this path will remember their special gifts and seek to fulfill their unrealized service.